picked up this PopToys super flexible female action figure body at AliExpress. Here's some barcodes if it will help you find them. AliExpress is kind of a hit and miss sometimes, so this could be just a one-off. You never know with them. Here's another barcode. I'm hoping this will help. This head is from the Susan B. Anthony Inspiring Women series from Barbie. The neck post on this body accepted the Barbie heads pretty well. As far as articulation goes, she's very well articulated. She's kind of a real petite though. Don't worry, she has an undershirt on. But she's so petite I had to use a rubber band to hold her pants up. I'm gonna have to make her an outfit that fits her. She's tiny. My Savage Swamp female action figure shirt fits her pretty well. No problem there. She has butterfly joints in her shoulder and a double jointed elbow and very articulated hands and wrists. Her articulation is really good. I'm very impressed with it. This type of range of motion in the double jointed elbows is kind of rare. She came with 2 sets of hands and 2 sets of feet and a couple of ball joint pegs. She has your typical pointer finger hands, the relaxed hands, high heel feet, and flat feet that actually fit these boots, hiking boots that I got from the Earl Sportsman Fishman set, which I thought was pretty cool. She has great range of motion in her neck. Gives you up, down, and side to side. Just kind of rare to see. It's kind of a rubbery substance there. She has the double jointed waist, torso, double jointed knees, and articulation in the ankle and the feet. I use these socks to keep her shoes on, and they seem to work pretty well. Compared to a made-to-move body, you can see that she is quite pale. I actually ordered a suntan version of this body, but they sent me this pretty pale one, which is okay because it fit the Susan B. Anthony head pretty well. No odd color changes. My Barbie Made to Move does have a modified hands, and she doesn't have, or most articulated Made to Move bodies, Barbies, they don't have the butterfly joints in the shoulders. So her range of motion is not as good as the PopToys one, which is alright. I think the PopToys action figure bodies could be used for fashion models as well if you wanted more articulation, since it does have the relaxed hands and you wouldn't have to use the pointer finger hands if you don't want to. She does have that improved neck articulation, which is better than the Made to Move Barbie, which only has the articulation at the neck joint. I really like this feature in these PopToys action figure bodies. As far as height goes, it's not too bad. She's almost as tall as Barbie, maybe just a tiny bit shorter, but that's okay. Her hands can fit the 21st Century Toys guns pretty well, with no problem. I'm pretty impressed with that. That's definitely a good feature. She could shoulder a rifle pretty well and look down the scope. This rifle can be found in several different Power Team sets, mainly the sniper, and I think there was also Police Swap Marksman that you could find it at. Here's her file card information. I decided to make her a biathlon champion and trainer. Thought that'd be good for her bio. Let me know if you'd like to see a video of file card information on all my established characters for the Brass Eagle Adventure team. I could definitely put that together for you. I paired her with the Dr. Sid from the Final Fantasy Spirit Within movie. I thought they'd make a great looking couple. They'll be joining my veteran adventure team to flesh out my veteran adventure team. And I think they're a great addition. I hope you enjoy taking a look at my new PopToys female action figures. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section below. Please like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.